In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add journal entry in Zoho Books. A manual journal entry is perfect for recording adjustments such as accruals, reclasses, depreciation, or corrections that don't come from invoices or bills. I'll walk you through the process from the dashboard to saving or publishing the entry, with tips to keep your books accurate. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to your dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your financial snapshot. From here, look toward the top area of the page for the Create button. It may appear as a plus icon on some layouts. Click it to open the list of transaction types. In the list, select Journal Entry. This opens the Journal Entry form. You'll see fields for the date, a reference number, and notes, followed by line items with debit and credit columns. Remember, every journal must balance. Total debits must equal total credits before you can save. Now fill in the journal details. Choose the date that reflects when the transaction actually occurred. Add a clear reference or memo so you and your accountant can understand the purpose later. For example, accrual for utilities or bank fee reclass. In the line items, pick the first account you want to affect and enter the debit or credit amount. Add additional lines for the offsetting accounts and amounts until the difference shows zero. If you use tracking features like projects or locations, apply them consistently on each relevant line. Double-check that you're using the correct accounts and that you're not applying taxes here. Journals usually post directly to ledger accounts without tax calculations. If your organization uses multiple currencies, confirm the currency and exchange rate are correct for the journal date. You can also attach supporting documents, like statements or calculations, to keep a clean audit trail. When you're done, decide how you want to save it. Choose Save as Draft if you want to pause and review it later or have someone else approve it. Drafts won't impact reports or balances. Choose Save and Publish when you're confident everything is accurate. Publishing posts the entry to your general ledger and makes it appear in your reports. Before publishing, take a moment to reread the description, verify the accounts, and confirm debits equal credits. That's it. From the dashboard, create, choose, journal entry, complete the details carefully, then save as a draft or publish. Follow these steps each time you need a precise adjustment, and your Zoho Books records will stay accurate and audit ready.